Hello everyone, in this video I will be presenting a brief user guide for navigating the Slido e-learning platform. We will begin by showing you how the user can register and log in to our online portal. Next, we will walk through the process how the teacher can add courses, including how to set the course's title, write a description, add relevant tags, and upload videos. We will also demonstrate how the user can browse and enroll in available courses quickly and easily. Finally, we will show you how the teacher can create Zoom meeting links and how the user can access Zoom meeting links directly through our platform. This walkthrough is created to help educators and learners fully utilize our Slido e-learning platform.